Okay, let's proceed with the installation of the piston rings. I'm going to start with the bottom one. This is the coil that you want to basically just loosen up. And what I like to do is, I don't like to take it out completely. Okay, close it in. Make sure this is nice and tight so there's no gap. Just push it in gently and this will close properly. And as you can see, Kolb & Schmidt have painted these with white paint, so I normally like to put them here on this piston mark. And what you want to end up with is the gap of this bottom scraper piston ring. You want to end up with this basically on the paint. Now you can do it by hand. You can stretch it by hand, which you can do that. What I like to do is you can also use this set of piston ring pliers. These are probably the cheapest pliers you can get, but I actually quite like them. And you can place the piston ring inside it. You can see it's beveled at a 45-degree angle possibly, or maybe a bit less, maybe 35-40 degrees. And you want to make sure that this is this has the right orientation. So all the letters on the Kolb & Schmidt piston rings are on the top, which faces the top, and as you can see, these are the letters. It says KS for Kolb & Schmidt and then 20 point. And place the piston ring over the coil. So if it's misaligned, move out the piston ring, place the white paint at the mark. This is the mark that I'm talking about. Hopefully you can see this clearly on the camera. So we've got the paint mark here in the middle. Now let's place our piston ring on the top. So it's a little bit fiddly, but you'll get there. So this is where you want to be. The paint mark is right there at the gap, and I like to leave it here. Now we're going to install the second one, which is the thinner one. And you want to make sure that this says stop, and you're going to position it this way. So pliers, position it nicely in the grooves, and don't worry about the 120 degrees position just yet. Okay, that's the second piston ring in place. Now on the third one, I'm going to use this tool. It is a little bit easier to install it with this one. And that's the third one in place. So what I like to do is I like to leave this one at the back, rotate the piston the other way, have the top piston ring gap on this side, and then the second one on this side here. So that's how you install piston rings on the piston. This is a diesel engine, F9Q 760. You can apply it on any diesel engine as long as it has this design of piston rings.